Hello everyone. So my video today, it's on how to retrieve your tax ID as an individual. As an individual, I need to emphasize that as an individual, not as a corporate organization. And this video will benefit Nigerians, obviously, who will pay tax, who earn or their revenue profits or their profit is above 800,000 naira. So Um, but this video is focused on individuals, most especially Nigerians in diaspora who are not familiar with the way these processes work. So, if you're a Nigerian in Nigeria and in diaspora, watch this video. This video will help you, will give you an insight into how to retrieve your tax ID as an individual, not as a corporate body. Um, And this information, I got it from JRB, which is the Joint Revenue Board. So you can refer to that if there are any issues you are not sure with, or you can ask me questions in the comments, any issues you're not clear about, and I'll clarify it for you. Yeah, let's get to it. So first of all, you have to make sure you know your NIN, your NIN, National Identification Number. You have to make sure you have your name, have it written down, or have it in close proximity to you. And you go to Google or Google Chrome or Safari or whichever one you use to go online, and type taxid.jrb.gov.ng into your browser. So you click on your Google browser or your Safari, and the taxid.jrb.gov.ng. Put that into your browser, or another website you can go to is taxid.nrs.gov.ng. NRS basically means Nigeria Revenue Service. So I repeat that: taxid.nrs.gov.ng. So type that into your Google browser. So the page, I'll put up this two website up in the screen, so you can screenshot it and or write it down. And so the page opens up. I'll put that up as well. So the page opens up as a seamless tax ID retriever. Bear in mind, we're trying to get you a tax ID. Before you can pay tax, you have to have a tax ID. So this video is about showing Nigerians, especially those in diaspora and those in Nigeria as well, how to get your tax ID as an individual. So you select the option individual. It will give you three options. Option 1 is individual, option 2 is corporate, and option 3 is others. So you click on individual because you're trying to get your tax ID as an individual. So the next option is tax ID retriever. So it will open up a page, tax ID retriever method. So you choose or click on NIN number. So there are two options there to retrieve your tax ID. But what we want to use for the purpose of this video is your NIN. So you click on the option NIN. So it will open up the option NIN. Then next you enter your NIN in the box. So at the bottom of the page, then you click on Retrieve Tax ID. So the next page will ask for your details, your first name, your last name, which is your surname, and your date of birth. So make sure that all the details you input on this page is the same details you have on your NIN. If not, it won't happen. So just make sure that your first name, your surname, and your date of birth matches the details on your NIN. So you click on the option to declare that the details should be used for identification purposes. I'm just confirming everything on the JRB website. Make sure you have first-hand information. So you click on the option that says this information should be used for NIN tax ID retriever. Then at the bottom of the page, you click on submit. Then the next page, it will show your NIN will be verified and your tax ID is displayed. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. And also, if there anything you're not sure of, ask me. I'll get back to you. Please share my video, subscribe, share it amongst your friends. I'm emphasizing those on diaspora because many Nigerians in diaspora have businesses in Nigeria and they do not think that this tax law applies to them. Probably I'll make another video because this is very important. People have asked me questions. They live in UK, US, Europe, abroad, China, but they have businesses in Nigeria. Many of diasporans have property business in Nigeria. If you have tenants in Nigeria, in Lekki, in Surulere, or maybe it's your grandparents' house in Nigeria, you're the one looking after it. And if your rent is above 800,000 naira, you have to pay tax. So, which means you need a tax ID. So, I'll suggest you focus on this video. Many diasporans, many people abroad have businesses like they give their parents um like a, let's say, a van or a bus or a coastal bus to run as transport. If your profit is more than 800,000 naira, you have to pay tax. So many Nigerians abroad have businesses in Nigeria, like they have shops. Like I know someone that have a shop that buys stuff from China. She's in the US. She buys stuff from China. She sends it to her sister in Nigeria who has a shop, and they sell it. The stuff, I don't know, clothes, whatever, shoes. If your earnings profit is more than 800,000, you have to pay tax, which means you need the tax ID. So keep an eye on this video and watch it again. Share and then like it and ask me questions in the comment section. Thank you, everyone, and have a lovely day.